मनवीर गुर्जर भले ही बिग बॉस 10 में आने के बाद सभी के फेवरेट बन गए और अपनी सच्चाई की मिसाल देकर उन्होंने ये शो भी जीत लिया। लेकिन पिछले 2 दिनों से वायरल हो रही उनकी शादी की तस्वीरें सबके दिमाग में तरह तरह के सवाल पैदा कर रही है। ऐसे में ये जानना काफी जरूरी था कि आखिर मनवीर के साथ रह रहे बिग बॉस 10 के बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स का इस बारे में क्या कहना है। सबसे शॉक नजर आई नितिभा, जो घर में मनवीर के सबसे करीब थी। यहाँ तक कि सबको ये लगने लगा था कि नितिभा और मनवीर के बीच दोस्ती से कहीं ज्यादा है। I don't want to talk anything about Manveer's wedding for now. I will talk at some later date. For now, I can only say that I was not involved with him. Mona Lisa का कहना था, No, he never mentioned being married and a father to me. This news is surprising, as I was one of his best friends and he never hid stuff from me. But he did say that he ran away from his wedding. This is what he told the makers in his audition tape. He did not reveal the exact reasons, but he did run away from the mandap. He did not wish to marry and just escape from there. Manu ने कहा, Look, what can you do to someone who has already decided what to say and do in the show? We were all playing a game and Manveer had his own set of cards. And then added, No, Manveer did not tell even me that he has a wife. If he had told me, it would have been captured by the cameras and colors wouldn't have edited spicy stuff. Last but not the least, Priyanka Jagga ने कुछ इस तरह react किया. I'm very scared for his wife. I hope she's fine in all this mess. I'm shocked to see Manveer के शादी का video. It's all out there. I distinctly remember that he told us in the house that he had run away from his wedding mandap. I think he smartly manipulated his victory by wooing female fans with his single status. I think Manveer's female fan following must have busted by now. आपका क्या रिएक्शन है ये सब जानकर? अपने कमेंट्स के जरिए हमें जरूर बताएं।